HubKoin exchange tutorials, verification using a computer and a mobile device. For your security, some of our services require you to provide basic or additional levels of verification. To begin this process, you will need to log into your HubKoin account. When you log in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On the top right-hand corner, you will see a small arrow beside your username. This arrow, when selected, will open a drop-down menu. To start the verification process, you will need to select Settings to begin. Once on the settings screen, you will see a menu on the left-hand side. Select Verification Level to reach the Current Verification Level screen. This is where you will start your verification process. Once you have verified your email, your account is classified as Level 0. You will need Level 1 verification to be able to fully use the HubKoin platform. To begin this process, select Increase to Level 1. To begin, you will need to click the consent checkmark and then select Start. To complete this process, you will need to disclose your issuing country/region and then have your driver's license, identity card, or passport ready. Select the type of ID that you will be providing to continue. This process requires you to take pictures of your identification and of your face. You will be asked to choose an upload method, whether it be on your computer using a webcam or a mobile device such as a phone or a tablet. In this tutorial, we will use a mobile device. From this menu, you can choose to have a link sent to your email, or you can access the verification process using the QR code. To use the QR code, open your camera and line up the QR code as directed. You will be prompted to open a link. Please do so to continue. To begin on your mobile device, you will need to click the consent checkmark, select Start, and then disclose what kind of identification you will be providing, similar to the earlier steps in this process. You will be prompted to use your camera to take a photo of your chosen identification. Select Start to begin. Once your camera is activated, follow the instructions on your screen to line up your ID. Select the plus sign to take a picture, or the program may take the photo automatically. Once completed, you will be asked to confirm the photo or try again. Some pieces of ID will need 2 images taken, front and back, for example, your driver's license. When you have the images you need, select Confirm. After the program has a copy of your identification, you will need to take a photo of yourself. This is done using your camera and filling the oval on screen with your face. The program will give you more instructions to help you take the best image. Continue to follow the prompts to complete the process. When the process is complete, your device will inform you that your information is being sent to your desktop. It will also inform you when the information has been sent, and you can close the browser on your mobile device. In a few moments, your status on your current verification level screen should change. If it does not, try reloading the page. Please do not restart the process. We hope this video has assisted you in the verification process. Thank you for watching, and welcome to HubKoin 2.0.